Doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yeah, ask me.
Sir, for homogeneous, we can take true solutions.
Yeah, true solutions are solutions. Both are called as same.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So homogeneous
Yes,
means solutions and heterogeneous means suspensions and colloids. Is it okay, all of you? Suspensions
Yes,
and
sir.
colloids is called as heterogeneous mixtures. So all
Yes,
the
sir.
suspensions and colloids are heterogeneous mixtures only. Please learn it. All the suspensions and colloids are heterogeneous mixture. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please. Heterogeneous mixture. Now, examples. If we take examples, lot of examples are there. So all of you should remember only solutions and alloys are homogeneous mixture. Remaining most of the mixtures. Yes.
Sir,
yes,
we
over.
can take starch and water.
Yeah, lot of things you can say here, all of you. So all the things you can see here, sugar and sand, you can notice it, sugar and sand mixture, salt and sand mixture, polluted air, gunpowder, milk, understanding, ink and milk are colloidal substance. Ink and milk is what, Omar? Colloidal substance, okay? Petroleum, paint, glass, understand? Coal, soil, wood, and blood, starch solution, soap solution, iron fillings and sulfur mixture, dyes, petrol and water, understanding? And chalk and water mixture, and muddy river water. Next, fluorine water. What do you mean by floor, Mitakshri? Harini? Flour means what? That is what? Wheat flour or rice flour. Understanding? Wheat or rice flour. Understand, everybody? And next, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia only, as I told you. What is that? Antacid. What is that? Antacid. Okay. Acidity. When you are getting acidity, will you take the treatment or not? Please respond. Acidity. So acidity treatment, milk of magnesia. Next, butter, cheese, face cream. Yeah.
Glass is the mixture of sand, carbon, and
so many mixtures. Glass is a mixture of more compositions, like lot of raw materials will be using. That is why we'll consider it. Looks like a metal. It looks like a pure substance, but it is an impure substance. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please, all of you remember. So these all are example of what?
Heterogeneous.
Sir, another doubt, sir.
Yeah.
How would be heterogeneous mixture?
Wood contains a lot of substances, in the sense of somewhere it contains more kind of parts, like in the sense of we can take plant contains xylem, phylum, fibers and all, correct, different things. That is what it is. That is what it is. Yeah. So it is like different kind of things it is there. That is the reason wood also will consider. Our blood also. Blood is also what? Example of heterogeneous mixture. Understand? That is what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So because if you take a wood is not a pure substance, because it is a mixture of like cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin. Understanding? Somewhere lignin is present, somewhere xylem, somewhere phylum fibers. Understanding? Somewhere more carbon, made up of carbon, and oxygen. Yeah, that is what it is. Why that is why it is called as mixture. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. That is what you can say. Okay. And also see, milk of magnesia, butter, face cream, cheese, everything we used to call it as heterogeneous mixture only. Remember, most of the substances in our surroundings are heterogeneous or homogeneous. Everybody. Most of the substances in our surroundings, they are heterogeneous mixture only. Homogeneous mixtures are only two. One is true solution or solution, and second one is alloys. Second one is what? Alloys. So only alloys and solutions. Solutions also we can say true solutions are only homogeneous. Remaining all are what? Most of the mixtures are what, guys?
Only
Heterogeneous.
homogeneous.
Heterogeneous. Most of the mixtures are heterogeneous. Only two are homogeneous. That is what? Alloys and
Alloys and solutions.
true solutions. That's all. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please write it. So this is all about it. So here, then from tomorrow's class, we are going to study the most important thing. Definitely so many questions they will ask you from that in the exam. That is only in these mixtures, you can able to see one mixture. What is that mixture? Everybody can see here. Iron and sulfur.
Compounds.
No. Iron fillings and sulfur mixture. So this is what in our NCERT textbook you can see a mixture of iron and sulfur. Last second chapter end almost you'll be having biggest concept regarding mixture of iron fillings and sulfur. One time we will heat, one time we will mix it like that. That is only we are going to study from tomorrow. So iron fillings and sulfur mixture. That is what the properties of mixture of iron and sulfur. What is that? Properties of mixture of iron and sulfur. To study the properties of mixture of iron and sulfur, we are going to study from tomorrow. So once if you have understand that, then only we are going to, once if you study the properties of iron and sulfur, then next type of substance. What is the next type of substance? Elements over and mixtures over. Then what is remaining?
Compounds.
Compound. So maximum we'll try to start compounds on tomorrow's class. So this is all about it. So tomorrow main important thing, more typical question can ask. What is the more typical questions can ask, guys? That is what? Iron fillings and sulfur mixture only. So this iron filling and sulfur mixture, if we'll mix it, we'll get different properties. If we'll heat it, you will get different properties. So if we heat, it will turns into different kind of compounds, chemical reaction. If we mix it, it is the physical reaction. That is why this iron fillings and sulfur mixture, we have to study more very clearly. So that is all we'll study in the tomorrow's class. So this is all about it. These all are examples of what, Mitakshri? All are examples of heterogeneous mixture only. So most of the substances which are present in our surroundings, they are what, guys? They are heterogeneous mixtures. So it is very difficult to, like you can see, very few are only they are homogeneous mixture in our surroundings. Remaining all are heterogeneous mixture. Now you tell me, I will ask you the last question. Is it homogeneous mixtures having same melting point and boiling point or not? Homogeneous mixture having
No, sir.
same or not? No?
No.
Why no, Umar? Suppose if we take sugar solution, is it melting point and boiling point is same or different? Is it varies or different?
Water is 100 degrees, sir.
Yeah, but sugar will get water will evaporate and sugar will come back. That's all correct. Entire sugar solution is having same boiling point, correct? I am asking you, it's not that water boiling point. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mitakshi, what is your explanation? Homogeneous mixture is having same melting point and same boiling point. That is what I am saying. Yes, please. Will you accept it or not? Throughout the solution.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody. Now, if we'll take salt solution, throughout the solution, is it some solution will evaporate at 10 degrees, some solution will 20, some solution will 30. Is it possible? Or throughout the solution same? Yes, please. So, homogeneous mixture, melting point and boiling point is same throughout the solution. But heterogeneous, what is happening? Heterogeneous, is it same? Not understanding. No MP and boiling point. Okay, not fixed melting point and boiling point, because we don't know the constituents. One time more substance is present, one time less substance is present. So we cannot fix the melting point and boiling point. Understand, Hari? Ready? Akilan?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So heterogeneous mixture does not have fixed melting point and boiling point, but homogeneous mixtures having a fixed melting point and boiling point. Hope everybody understand or not? That is what. So you understand till here. Then next class we'll see a mixture of iron and sulfur. What is the properties of mixture and iron sulfur? And directly later we'll go into Mr. Gokul. Have you understand or not today's class? Yes, please. No. So next class we will go to we'll study properties of sulfur and as well as iron mixture. Okay. So thank you everybody. With this I will stop and we'll meet in the next class.